Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Today I'm going to be talking about Twitter may be adding Dogecoin as a payment option. Here's why you should invest now. So as you guys know, Elon Musk bought Twitter. It's been over a week now, and Dogecoin prices are continuing to rise. I think right now it's on 13 cents. So what's happening is that this Dogecoin is cryptocurrency peer-to-peer, launched in 2013, and its value is right now 13 cents. So sell it in 2023. I think I should change this number. So the value of Dogecoin is going up because it might be a payment option for badge verification on Twitter, and added by Elon Musk. So that is why you should be buying Dogecoin and invest in Dogecoin. I think this is the only reason, but still it's a risky move. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this investment decision, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification bar. I'll be signing off. Take care.